Ladies and gentlemen, members of the European Parliament, it's my privilege to welcome you to this year's presentation of our annual DEKRA Road Safety Report here in Brussels. In particular, I would like to welcome Christian Schmidt, EU Coordinator for Road Safety and Director for Land Transportation at the European Commission's DG Move, as well as Jens Giesecke, EPP Coordinator of the European Parliament Trans Committee. DEKRA is delighted to once again host this event at the representation of the state of Baden-Württemberg to the European Union, and we are deeply grateful for our ongoing and fruitful partnership with the representation. So, dear ladies and gentlemen, several years ago, I was pleased to learn that the European Investment Bank, in partnership with the Poland's Ministry of Infrastructure, financed a 37.5-kilometer beltway around metropolitan area of Gdansk, Sopot, and my hometown of Gdynia. The project aimed to improve road connections, ease traffic flows, and enhance environmental conditions in the region. It enabled road users to save time, reduce vehicle operating costs, and delivered safety and environmental benefits for all. This example shows that significant investments in efficient road infrastructure plays a key role in increasing road safety and reducing air pollution from road emissions, a major topic that we will be tackling later on in the transcripts of today. Committed to fostering safer, more secure and sustainable world, DEKRA is proud to witness these projects come to life, making tangible impact on daily routines of the Europeans. However, we recognize that this is only the beginning. Let me back this up with the few facts. So, the European Environmental Agency estimates that at least 52,000 people have died prematurely in the EU in 2021 as a result of exposure to nitrogen dioxide pollution, NO2, and road transport is responsible for around 37% of NOx emissions in the EU. And in 2023, road crashes on the EU roads claimed 20,400 lives, a 1% decrease from the previous year, with 46 fatalities per million inhabitants. While road deaths have fallen by about 10% since 2019, the current reduction rate remains below the 4.5% annual decline needed to meet EU's target of halving the fatalities by 2030. The preliminary data for the early 2004 indicates no change in the fatalities compared to 2023. These are numbers, but behind every number lies an individual fate, and each statistic is a family enduring unimaginable loss. We, as a society, cannot accept that. We can and we must do better. With our capabilities in the transportation industry, we have the power, the tools, and the mission to change this narrative. Now let me come to another aspect of transportation. At the time of unprecedented transformation of the sector, safety, security, and sustainability are big challenges, but also hold up huge opportunities. In this context, DEKRA welcomes the European Commission's commitment to safer, greener, and more digital future. In fact, we intend to continue contributing to this transformation with all our expertise and effort. As a trusted third party with 48 1,000 experts across the world, we have been working hard to develop and to roll out green and digital services. Services that stimulate innovation and growth, as well as services that improve safety, security, and sustainability. And as we gathered here to talk about road transport, let me give you a few details about how we contribute to transformation of the automotive sector. So starting with green mobility, transport accounts for roughly a quarter of the EU's greenhouse gas emissions, and road transport being responsible for 3/4 of that share. Emission-free vehicles are essential to decarbonizing transport, and it's only through innovative technologies that we can make a significant impact on reducing this footprint and tackling climate change. To ensure a safe transition to green mobility, we offer cutting-edge solutions and services. And as a thought leader in the fields such as electric mobility and hydrogen, we are at the forefront of this movement. In the e-mobility ecosystem, our expertise covers areas such as certification and inspection of charging infrastructure and testing of key components of electric vehicles, including traction batteries. One of our, I would say, standout achievements is our patented state of health solution for used car EV batteries. Unlike other solutions available on the market, which frequently require full discharging and charging of batteries, taking hours to perform, our state of health check takes only just a few minutes, generating results of extremely high accuracy. These are, in our view, essential advantages for quickly and reliably evaluating the condition of used EVs, a process which will become indispensable for healthy functioning of second-hand used EV market. In the hydrogen sector, we are a leading member of Hydrogen Europe, sharing the vision of hydrogen-based economy. And I firmly believe that hydrogen technologies will be pivotal to combating global warming. However, establishing internationally harmonized safety standards will be essential. Also, to ensure that hydrogen is truly green, traceability and independent oversight provided by third parties such as DEKRA will be crucial. We see promising future for green hydrogen, not only as an energy storage solution, but also as synthetic fuel, especially in long-distance transportation. That's why we partner with a startup, Hylane, to support Germany's first rental fleet of now over 120 hydrogen-powered trucks, monitoring these innovative vehicles through their entire life cycle. In addition, decarbonizing transport also requires those vehicles which are on the road today to meet strict environmental standards. And this can be achieved by enhancing emission inspections during periodic technical inspections, or PTI, adding nitrogen oxide measurements for diesel engines and particle counting for both diesel and gasoline engines to detect and address damage, aging, tempering in exhaust systems. Secondly, the digital transformation. In the digital sector, we offer cybersecurity and advanced AI assessment solutions to ensure safe and secure digital transformation of Europe's transport sector. When it comes to cybersecurity, we were among the first certification bodies in Germany accredited to serve automotive manufacturers. Cybersecurity will be a key factor in continued development of automated and connected driving technologies. And DEKRA is fully prepared for that challenge. At Lausitzring in eastern Germany, DEKRA is in the process of constructing what will become Europe's largest independent testing ground for automated and connected driving, which shows our progress as well as commitment to future of safe, secure, and sustainable mobility. And thirdly, and as a consequence, the future of PTI, periodic technical inspections. PTI is essential for road safety, emission reduction, and regulatory compliance. With rapid advances in vehicle automation and electrification, innovative testing technologies and procedures are needed to ensure safe, eco-friendly mobility of the future. As an independent third party, DEKRA is dedicated to ensuring safety and environmental compliance of electric, connected, and increasingly automated vehicles. And as cars gradually take over the role of the driver, the relevance of independent third-party monitoring continues to increase. However, for inspection companies like ourselves to be able to continue fulfilling our sovereign mission in the future, access to unaltered safety and environmentally relevant in-vehicle data will be critical. To ensure cybersecurity, the integrity and conformity of software in electronically controlled vehicle systems must be verified, especially when it comes to safety-critical functionalities. This includes monitoring software updates also as part of periodic technical inspection, as part of PTI. So with those new requirements on the horizon, and to continue our mission of ensuring safety, security, and sustainability throughout the vehicle life cycle, manufacturers must provide access to all inspection-relevant data via the OBD or OTA interface. Event-driven remote inspections should complement periodic on-site PTI. Ladies and gentlemen, PTI saves lives. And today I urge the policymakers and legislators to establish an innovation-friendly legal framework that supports advancements in the automotive industry while upholding shared goals of road safety and environmental protection. A key part of this effort involves sector-specific legislation for in-vehicle data access, which will ensure adequate data access for our sovereign tasks. Ladies and gentlemen, next year, DEKRA celebrates its 100th anniversary. Founded in 1925 with a commitment to one of Europe's enduring goals, improving road safety. In that respect, our DEKRA annual road safety report has been a valuable communication tool for many years. In 2024, we have dedicated the report to traffic environments for people, focusing on road infrastructure. With this report, we want to continue raising awareness about these important topics, and I am convinced that based on our vision and expertise, we, together with the EU, can contribute significantly to the safety of people towards a future where sustainable transport is not just a vision, but a reality. So later this evening, my colleague, Jan Fellauer, will present more details and findings from our DEKRA annual road safety report. But firstly, I am honored to welcome the EU Coordinator for Road Safety, Christian Schmidt, as the next speaker. Thank you very much.